Streamline India payroll with ChatGPT's AI assistant. Processing payroll can be complex and time-consuming for businesses in India, but ChatGPT simplifies the process. Reduce processing time and focus on growth with ChatGPT. Learn more now. Duration: 35 seconds. Introducing ChatGPT-enabled payroll assistant. Say hello to ChatGPT Payroll Assistant, your ultimate digital assistant that can make managing your India payroll services a breeze. This generative AI is a game-changer when it comes to automating your HR processes, with its ability to handle multiple tasks such as calculating PF and PT payments. If you're looking for a simple and efficient solution for your India payroll needs, ChatGPT is your go-to platform. Not only does it simplify the entire process, but it also ensures that all payroll compliance regulations are met, leaving you with a hassle-free experience. Whether you need to manage employee attendance, calculate salaries, or process PF and PT payments, ChatGPT has got you covered. With this digital assistant, you can enjoy greater accuracy, reduced errors, and faster processing times, which ultimately saves you both time and money. So, what are you waiting for? If you're tired of spending countless hours on your India payroll services, let ChatGPT take over and help you streamline your HR processes like never before. Give it a try today and see how it can transform the way you manage your payroll services. How ChatGPT Payroll Assistant works. ChatGPT Payroll Assistant is an advanced technology that can significantly streamline India payroll services. By integrating this powerful tool into your existing payroll software, you can transform the way you manage employee salaries, taxes, and deductions. To get started with ChatGPT, all you need to do is feed in your employee data, including details such as PF and PT contributions. The system then utilizes its advanced NLP-modeled generative AI technology to digest this information and generate the required output in a matter of seconds. ChatGPT can help you to calculate employee salaries, generate pay slips, and automatically deduct taxes such as PF and PT. This can save you hours of manual work each month, enabling you to focus on more important tasks such as running your business and meeting the needs of your clients. What's more, ChatGPT can help you to avoid errors and inconsistencies that are commonly associated with manual payroll processing. With ChatGPT, you can rest assured that your employee salaries and tax deductions will always be accurate and up to date. Overall, ChatGPT is an excellent tool that can help India payroll services to become more efficient, accurate, and streamlined. By leveraging the power of this technology, you can save time, reduce errors, and free up your valuable resources to focus on growing your business. So why wait? Get started with ChatGPT today and see the difference for yourself. The benefits of using ChatGPT for India payroll services are numerous. In addition to saving time and reducing errors, ChatGPT can also help you to stay compliant with all the latest regulations and guidelines related to payroll processing in India. This means you can avoid costly penalties and fines, and keep your employees happy and satisfied. Furthermore, ChatGPT can be customized to meet the unique needs of your business. Whether you have a large team of employees or just a handful, ChatGPT can be tailored to fit your specific requirements. This flexibility makes it an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes and types. Finally, ChatGPT is easy to use and can be accessed from anywhere, at any time. Whether you are in the office or on the go, you can quickly and easily manage your payroll using this powerful tool. Plus, with its intuitive interface and user-friendly design, ChatGPT makes payroll processing a breeze for even the most technologically challenged individuals. The benefits of using ChatGPT for India payroll services. One of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT for India payroll services is that it helps to eliminate manual errors. By automating many of the processes involved in payroll, ChatGPT is able to enhance accuracy and reduce the risk of mistakes that can occur when things are done manually. This not only saves time, but it can also help to improve employee satisfaction by ensuring that they are paid correctly and on time. In addition, ChatGPT also offers accurate payroll accounting. This means that businesses can rest assured that all of their financial records are up to date and that they are able to easily keep track of all the transactions that take place. This is especially important for businesses that need to stay compliant with local and national laws. Speaking of compliance, ChatGPT is also designed to help businesses remain in compliance with all applicable regulations. This is because the platform is updated regularly to ensure that it is always in line with current laws and regulations. This can save businesses from hefty fines and penalties that may result from non-compliance. Finally, using ChatGPT for India Payroll Services can also help to increase employee satisfaction scores. When employees are paid correctly and on time, they are more likely to feel valued and appreciated by their employer. This can lead to higher morale, lower turnover rates, and an overall more positive work environment. Get started with ChatGPT Payroll Assistant today. Are you tired of managing payroll manually or dealing with multiple software platforms? Look no further than ChatGPT Payroll Assistant, the solution to simplify India payroll services. With ChatGPT, you can integrate any of your existing payroll software, such as Saral, Propel, ADP, or Ramco, to streamline your payroll processing. Our AI-powered chatbot provides instant assistance to your employees regarding their payroll queries, making the entire process more efficient and effective. With ChatGPT, your employees can access their payroll information 24/7, allowing them to check their pay stubs, leave balances, and tax documents from the convenience of their mobile devices. But that's not all. ChatGPT's unique algorithm ensures data accuracy and consistency across multiple software platforms. Additionally, we offer a dashboard that provides an overview of your entire payroll process, enabling you to identify and resolve any discrepancies. At ChatGPT Payroll Assistant, we understand that every organization has unique payroll requirements. That's why we offer customizable solutions to meet your specific needs. Our expert team is always available to provide guidance and support as you integrate your existing software with ChatGPT. So, what are you waiting for? Take advantage of ChatGPT's innovative payroll solutions and simplify your India payroll services. Contact us today at +91 963 278 9874/nandkakarla78@gmail.com to get started.